In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Yahoo Mail not autofilling contacts. First, open your Yahoo Mail. You will see the familiar layout with your inbox and the navigation pane on the left side. This is where all your emails are stored. It is important to start here because we need to access the email interface to troubleshoot the issue. Once you have opened Yahoo Mail, you are set to take further steps to resolve the autofill problem. This is the foundation for everything else we will do, so make sure it's loaded completely before moving on. Next, click on the Compose button. This button is usually located near the top left of your screen. When you click it, a new email window will pop up. In this window, you will see various fields for composing your message. One of these fields is the To field, where you usually enter the email addresses of your recipients. Clicking on Compose is essential as it allows us to test the autofill feature directly. Now, in the To field, type the first few letters of a contact's name or email. For example, if you are looking for someone named Sarah, just type Sarah and watch the suggestions that may appear. This action is crucial because it directly tests whether Yahoo Mail recognizes your contacts. If the autofill feature works correctly, you should see a list of suggestions pop up. If nothing appears, it indicates that there may be an issue with your contacts. If no suggestions appear, verify that the contact is saved in Yahoo Contacts. To do this, you can go to the Contacts section of Yahoo Mail. You can access this by clicking on the Contacts icon, which looks like a small address book. This step is important because it ensures that the contacts you are trying to use are actually stored within Yahoo's system. Without this verification, you cannot proceed effectively. If you find that the contact is missing, add the contact if it's missing. To do this, click on the Add Contact button, usually located in the Contacts section. Here, you can manually input the contact's details. This step is necessary to ensure that the contact is available for future emails. Adding the contact will help resolve the autofill issue you are experiencing. After that, click Add to Contacts. Once you have filled in all the required details, this button will save your new contact to the Yahoo Contacts list. It is a simple but vital action that ensures your changes are saved correctly. You should see a confirmation that the contact has been added successfully, giving you peace of mind. Next, fill in all the details of the new contact. This includes the first name, last name, and email address. Ensure that all fields are filled out accurately. This is important because having complete information will help Yahoo Mail accurately recognize and autofill this contact in the future. Double-checking your entries will save you time and frustration later on. Now refresh the Yahoo Mail page. You can do this by clicking the Refresh button on your browser or pressing F5 on your keyboard. Refreshing is a crucial step because it updates the interface and incorporates any recent changes you've made. You will see the page reload, and this ensures you are working with the most current data. From there, sign out of Yahoo Mail. You can usually find the sign out option by clicking on your profile picture or name at the top right corner. Signing out is essential because it clears any temporary glitches that might be affecting the autofill feature. This little step helps reset your session and prepares the system for a fresh login. Finally, sign back in and test again. Enter your credentials and access your Yahoo Mail once more. This is the moment of truth to see if the autofill feature is now working properly. You can try typing in the To field again to check for suggestions. If everything is set correctly, you should now see your contact appear as a suggestion, confirming that the issue has been resolved.